Okay, last thing we need to do after rotating the tires is to do a relearn on the tire pressure monitoring system. Most vehicles nowadays have a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, which means if a tire gets too low of pressure, it'll give you a dash light and let you know before it goes completely flat. In my wife's CRV, it's all or nothing. If one tire gets low, it'll just throw the light on, but it won't tell you which tire it is. In this truck, though, it'll tell you exactly which tire is doing that. But the sensor for that is in the tire. So once you rotate the tires, now the truck doesn't have a reference for which tire is where. So we have to teach the truck now where each tire is. So it's kind of a neat thing on this truck. You just put the key in, turn it to on, and then you just hold down lock and unlock until it beeps twice. There it is. So now we come out here and see only this light is on. This one is not. Okay, so that means we're going to now do a relearn of this tire. So what it's looking for is a change in pressure. So if we take this off, we're just going to let out a bunch of air. And once it sees this pressure drop, it'll beep once, and then it'll move on to the next tire. This is why we didn't, there it is. Okay, so now, let's see. So now this light is lit, we're gonna do this tire. Isn't this fun? So this is why we didn't check the tire pressure as we went. It would work the same if we were to increase pressure, but you know, you're seeing how long that would take. We may just have to let the air out after that anyway, so I might as well do it this way. Good. Next. Okay, looks like that one's on. That one's not. Now we're going to do this tire. And now this light is on. Last one. After this one, it should beep twice. And we're done. The tiny little batteries in these TPMS sensors do go bad. So it may be that after time, there it is, and we're all done. After time, you will have to have those replaced. I've never done that. I've always just had a shop do it while they're changing tires or something. But anyway, that's it. Tires rotated, relearned. I'm just gonna re-up the pressure on all these tires and we're done.